If you eat fried eggs from now on, you will only want to prepare them like this without frying them. I will break 4 eggs right here, then add just a tiny pinch of salt, and then we are going to beat these eggs extremely well. Now, add 1 full cup of milk and we will continue beating them. And believe me, if you wish, these are truly the only ingredients required. Now we're going to transfer our mixture to another container. In boiling water, double boiler style, I will place this silicone utensil right here to line the bottom of the pan, and then we are going to put our mold on top of this utensil. Then just cover and let it cook for 15 minutes. Once this time has passed, remove it and let's gently loosen it around the sides, and then we will carefully unmold our egg onto a plate. Look at this, everyone, how delicious! It even looks like cheese. I'm going to cut it here so you can see how it turned out, how light and soft it is. Look how delicious, everyone! You'll only want to make it this way now. What perfection!